Hey guys, Naomi Finlay here, Australia's rapid renovation expert. And today I want to share with you one of my top styling tips. So we all know that one of the most importance of creating amazing spaces is integrating space medicine at every step of the way. And one of the key ways that you can do that is actually to bring nature into each and every space that you have. Now, lots of people struggle when they're not living in a property or when it's maybe tenanted or when they're renovating remotely. So they're not even renovating in the state that they're in to have fresh flowers and natural foliage in there. So I want you to show you today just a super quick tip. You guys will see just over my shoulder here, this is standard common mother-in-law's tongue. I think it's also its technical botanical name, I think, is Sansevieria. You can also see there's some Sansevieria trifasciata. But long and short, mother-in-law's tongue. Now guys, these grow pretty much all around Australia, and once they get started, they multiply like weeds. So the best part of it is you can actually cut those leaves, put them in water. These ones have been in there for around probably like 4 or 5 weeks now. And so if you're putting a property to market or you're wanting to get it valued and you're not going to be around, cut some of these leaves, pop them in some water, pop a teaspoon of bleach into that water so you never have to worry about stinky flower water. And you will have a living sculpture and some nature integrated into your space for the entire time that property is on the market. So get to it, guys. Go find a friend or go find some in your yard, Sansevieria or mother-in-law's tongue. They are phenomenal to be used when you are styling a property for sale, rent or valuation. See you guys.